Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about traineeship programs for EU and non-EU students in overall Europe. We will discuss in details what are the requirements, how to apply, how much amount they are paying for this traineeship program, and how much months you have to do this traineeship program. We will discuss in details. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, let's discuss in details. First of all, this Blue Book traineeships, they offer twice a year. The Commission offers 5-month paid traineeship program. There are different departments who offer this traineeship program. The registration is open for the March session 2023. You can apply from here. You can see you can apply from 20th July Central European Summer Time until 31st August 2022 at 12 Central European Summer Time. So these are the deadlines. So still you can apply. We have time for 29 days. So you can easily apply for this traineeship program. Apply or check your application and how to apply. First we have to check apply or check your application. We will click here. You can see we can find all the here. You can first you have to register yourself. If you are new, create an account. You have to create an account and then you have to log in, and then you can easily find these traineeship programs. And who can apply for this traineeship program? The traineeship is open to all EU citizens subject to eligibility criteria. Here you can see subject to eligibility criteria. The traineeship is open to all EU citizens regardless of age. A limited number of places are also allocated to non-EU nationals. Means to say, even if you are in foreign country out of Europe, then you can apply for this traineeship program. This is fully funded traineeship program, so you can easily apply for this. Eligibility for this traineeship program. The traineeship program is open to university graduates who have completed a standard 3 years higher education degree, minimum European framework, that is language certification IELTS 6 they require for this, corresponding to complete bachelor's cycle or equivalent. Means to say you should have bachelor's degree, 3 years bachelor's, or after 3 year bachelor's master's degree program. You can easily apply for this traineeship program. Have no prior work experience of any kind in excess of 6 weeks in any EU institutions. You should not require any experience to apply for this traineeship program. Have a very good knowledge of languages. For example, if you are applying in Italy, if you will be selected for Italy, then you should know about the English language, French or German. So you should know about these languages. And then questions. Here are some questions about eligibility. For example, is there any age limit for applying? How can I prove a very good knowledge of language for the administration traineeship, and so on. All these questions related to if you have any question, then you can easily find here the answer of that question. So these are the details about this traineeship program. Traineeships here, and further how can apply. Application procedure to apply for this traineeship program. Here you can see trainees testimonials, some trainees who already worked in these European Union traineeship programs. So you can find here the list. A selection of topics. Application procedure. The application procedure consists of 3 steps: registration for EU login, as I showed you before, that how you have to create an account and then you have to log in and then apply for traineeship program. So completion of the application form and its submission. Then recruitment procedure, the steps to apply from submitting your application to accepting your traineeship. So all these requirements about how can I apply. For example, if you want to know how to apply for this, it's easy to apply. Only you have to apply online. No any documentation you have to send in hard copy. So step 1, create an EU login or connect with an existing account. If you have already an account, then just you have to log in, or you have to apply for traineeship. And if you are a new user, then first you have to create an account and then fill the sign up form, click submit, check your email account including your spam folder for confirmation. In the email, the link to create your password. After creating your password, you can proceed all your applications. Use either the email or your ECAS username to log in afterwards. Candidates for EC traineeships cannot log in using electronic ID. For example, students who are in Europe and want to apply, then they have issued some IDs, so they can log in by those IDs. Complete and submit the application form. Here you can easily upload your documents, copy of your valid passport, university qualifications, proof of your language certification, and if you have any experiences, your updated CV. Apply for up to 3 traineeship posts. Even you can apply up to the 3 departments for 3 choices for traineeship program. So this is all about this traineeship, European Union traineeship program. Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box, or you can contact on Telegram group, so you will be answered there. So that's it for this program. Take care. Bye.